But can't kind of we are not cool relationship money jamo. Super time moving bomb near jamu and one of the tears amount for the no person go about for relationship. So for papa. A jam we are not some go about for relationship. I can come home someday I try to so in Jarvis. I don't want a day near free. Salo ya day near free. Make us a home. I want to know Casano. Uko catch a one say on Jamisano who then I'll be near free.
Santua, I don't have your time.
You have to have it.
Before coming, so you were talking to yourself already. Tell yourself say moving it towards me direction.
Wow, who Casana me de Casa me de chain or so beba. Wow, the new one come maybe nanko wachimuko. One I may know.
So what's your problem?
My problem is saying I don't know who say me I travel to Njame.
In summer me catching now. Were you not doing all those?
Let's just okay.
Were you not doing all those?
I
said it and I'm standing on business. I said it.
Mekunipa.
Someone can't say Kunipa.
Enti afi ade.
Asem na me catching.
I don't know who called the na enye ya na so person say will be the other artist.
I broke up with the people that I was with. Because I knew I was not okay with it. And you're gonna break it up with me.
Ain't the other 18 now who say like you are not okay with them now when you break it up. Not now, baby. Now I say, oh, don't shaman for them.
Say, be inquiry or friend be life, man. You always tell them, right?
Or you
that I don't really like you. When something happens to me, you decide to get involved and advise me, right? You think you have opinions. I also have my opinions. So if I feel like Vaughn deserves better, Madam, and you are not the better, Madam, I am going to tell Vaughn.
Madam,
you can't keep on moving from one guy. I will make you talk.
It doesn't concern you.
And so, you've dated teachers, canteen men, headmasters.
Hey, master, a chant me so I know chant.
Oh, that means teachers for any canteen.
Teachers for bay.
But headmaster,
canteen men, bay school, canteen men saying, I said, "Who chantro way in our train?" Or said the bear, over convincing to say the me and no crown.
I think he deserves better. And then you and I best spoil a boy in life, man.
Better bear.
So you think
better babe?
Okay, it's fine.
Who is better in this school? Who?
Then he has to stay single.
Madam, stay away from my relationship.
No, then he has to stay single.
Stay away from my relationship.
You won't help him, and you know that. You know
stay
you
away
won't help
from my relationship.
You can't stay with one person, and you know that.
Yeah, dear, come on, I can't lie. So, mama, na fa na wuni obi.
So let me also do what I want to do. Let me tell him what I want to tell him. Whatever he wants to pick, he will pick it. If he wants to end up with you,
I think you like him.
I like who?
You like him.
I like him.
You like Vaughn.
You should know better.
Because of what you're doing.
Oh,
you like him.
Excuse me.
Stay away from my relationship. I'm telling you.
When you like you crank, I will call what they are better.
Me call what they are better. No, if I obey. And if I obey. What is going on? Consent.
Be a tutumna.
She walk class in Pune. Hey, make her who know been in your crowd date. Why? You are talking about class. I didn't know. You knew. You knew.
We need the
see who is talking about class.
And so mention my name. Me call ya. Open so cancel. Mama, me mpo me be dina ha. No akasa.
Na me mention name. Then I bet
me be dina ha. Crown to me here.
Me to me here. May catch you. Stay away from my relationship. Yes, next time they will be there. No. Say don't why. Madam Papa.
Yeah, me pen when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am in broso with me yeah. Me pass me come and
catch you. Nya de. Obi obeji nya chi obi ai. E bi kire me. Ntimi apu na apu. Enko be bia. Because I say no ase wa ma wani anya de na be yo so you soft me false. So on the mature. Bibi kura na obenya de aboni pakura. Fa na de abono e ba ni ma de kuro. E be foolish case enko be bia. Because I say o ma mo so as obi ani ati won de ti ha say. Ti me ni e de ka na me de ti ha o. She.
I can't put the new concern on call baby me free by the wording pan. Baby me won she. Jai. Obi Jimmy my me boni pakura me pan ani me no nyina mponti na yi medini.
Sa she.
And no come put their hand and how cry.
Obi ani me she.
Can you cry to me?
Hey,
sure. And look at the money how cramp. Obi am point to me on the now we remember.
I don't know, Papa.
To me, Bonnie didn't choose his idea. And say, won't be a dear or they make a vacation. And I said, because I already done no name on him. I said, and then me win where it's him. Make a chance on family brown and on in a boy fool. And or Jimmy passport, and I made them a cotton plane.
Now, what's not playing more about passport in Utah?
Oh, embassy, oh dear, may all corner bomb me, dear, be any meal. Hey,
I'm a bow. It's airport in a plane, and I say embassy in a plane.
A one a bissel, a plane bissel,
Plane's the embassy.
Never Papa call private jet. Sir, no back on.
Okay, private jet there. I think they possible
that was.
Sir.
Sure.
That's the one now on now. See where that name was.
I want to be sure my skin here.
No, only we are the jumbo.
If you be in jammy, there. And jammy.
Na ele me koya kami me bi mo.
I don't so.
Share. Bra me bi le pa.
Oh, so called the enya some din bi meet me na papa ka say meet me papa ka say
one bebre.
What I told you only how.
Bebre o we do am me kowa. Say. Okay, say we should you be shopping about this.
You be cross over them.
I will never match 2 minutes. So many.
Excuse me.
Dennis, why are you not picking my calls?
Why would I pick your calls? Because the last time you told me I shouldn't call you again, or you will never call me again as well. So why do you expect me to pick up your call, or even answer your call?
You know, I wasn't okay with the whole situation. So in order to let you know how furious I was, I have to tell you that. But I didn't mean it. It's not something that I wanted.
You said you didn't mean it.
Yeah.
To the extent that beating that innocent guy to death.
That guy was stubborn. You know, Bennett, I love you so much. So why are you doing this? Do you think it will be easy for me to see that I'm sharing you with, you know, a stupid boy like that?
Who is stupid boy? Karma. But there's no problem. Say Karma, mini obi share mini Karma, na say Karma share, na so me mu share bibia.
You think it's
easy? What's the
easy?
problem with that?
You think it's that easy, right?
You don't want to share.
To share you with someone.
I said you don't want to share me with anyone.
Why would I do that?
Oh, me talk and let me go, okay? You just say whatever you want to tell me then. Let me go.
Has it got into that?
The last time one year boy in the amount.
After all, I've called him. We've sorted things out. So what next? I gave him the reason for doing what I did.
See, our friend now in the casa. You see, I'm not better than any paboni never. My third person.
It's not about you being a third person or not. The point here is, I don't understand you. I don't like what you're doing. If you open up to me, open up and stop what you're doing. It's not right.
So friend me bio. Jayhana oh hami.
I don't know. Making reference to someone from you. As I heard me.
That's oh hami. Also friend me. Internet na wo ha me bio. Me kwa ka cho you me mpesa ade no.
Edru sa.
Me se me mpesa. O ya me kwa ka cho you o tete.
Me ya ba ka cho me.
De yon ko bet sama ko kan.
Sir? Wow. So what you do? You can do that.
No, mama so.
Well, I can't matter. So as my main for you.
I want to friend me bio.
And I'm afraid also you not respond.
That be no friend me cry me dey kan me nti was that be no friend me.
Enti say school na wan ko bia broni ba so na hu na wo hu no.
If I me hu me score, right? Me hu yan camera.
Sir. My father just said, isn't it?
Okay, maybe I'll offer me now. Seminar now, person will catch you.
The sense of my bidding commodity be I didn't need any of bonnet of an neaka.
And then she's only years as same year catch me.
Hey.
1 year as same catch me. Go bit me a test it. And also friend na man fano. Bit me a canyas as same year and also be catch you so be even me. And I'm a catch on. Oh, try so sabe for me bio. Me catch you. Opa try me.
Hey.
Same now.
Hey. Oh. Hey, yari awipa. Timina Ben is ube mi shade no. Girl, me born mafia. Hey. I'll let her understand there's a little boy in every man.
The parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me Pankwana me know the parties they come my way.
I'm sorry. I was actually waiting for you, but I wanted to talk to you about. Mostly I'm making my burden to advise new students. I've realized that I've made a research, I've made a survey, and I've realized that most students that come here end up making some mistakes and they wish they never did those things. Okay. So I end up advising them so that they wouldn't take that path, right? And I see you as a nice lady, a very cool and humble lady. And I've seen that you've been keeping a certain company. You are starting to develop certain friendships. And I know they are not going to help you.
Really?
Yeah, you know who I'm talking about, right?
Asantua.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The last time I saw you guys sitting there, I've seen you guys on certain occasions. And I know Asantua. I know what she has been doing in the school. I know what she can do to you. A best show. So please, just listen to my advice.
Eka, men kwampo di anka uni how, cause me school ma me check will be out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Na men assembly county and me kada benka. Me free state na ba intino.
State where? Agugu State.
Edi Agugu State. United States.
United
States. Agugu State.
Of America.
Pachani.
Oh.
I want me free by intino. Me the school madam me check will be intino anyhow.
Oh.
But anyway, stands for advice.
Okay. I'm hoping you take it. Although when check you'll be a Mr. Don't be close to Asantua.
Okay.
Are you sure you've listened to me?
I will try.
Okay. So then I'm waiting for someone. I'll join you soon.
Alright. Okay, bye.
Okay. Me train your bianso. Say me tina hana me am reflecting. At the United States of America. School one day, I'm
Mr. James, Aroma James. Hey, brother James, Chanam, when Waunia, Fanfula. Brother James.
You know, I've told you this. So brother James, I know what don't mix it.
Oh, that is well noted. But we closed from class. I told you to wait for me. You didn't wait, and then you just started leaving. I had to try and get your attention.
I don't have time. Brother Vaughn.
You don't have time. What are you doing?
You know where I'm going. I'm going to evangelize. You know, I don't have time. That's why I wanted to leave early. So, you know.
So now, what? There's a new schedule or what?
There is a new schedule because there is a new me. You understand? Yeah.
Speaking of that, I heard about something again.
What is it?
You were in Precious.
Oh, who and who? Huh?
You were in Precious. I wanna Precious, I wanna be.
What
I heard something. Stop trying to play a fool in front of me here. Just tell me and then let's move forward.
What happened? What did you hear?
I'm so confused.
She has cut my chest on.
show boss.
The girl has left me. But you know, everything happens for a reason, brother Vaughn. I'm not sad. At first I was sad, but I have God, so I'm back to, being normal. I'm okay now.
Symptoms of broken heart. Obey on there, oh, when I'm there, I don't care. I'm there on farm. So deep down, what's now broken heart? Broken heart, you have about do oh, I'm the normal, shinyem. So deep down, no, or every wakuma, or which day, wow, ball back. Oh,
Okay, so
don't go. It pains me. That's why I told you.
that's what I'm telling you. Listen, brother Vaughn. The thing is, I have God, okay? Mommy can't say me sure. If you choose God, Nyango Ponsu choose you back, you understand?
Yeah.
So if you have God, you have everything.
But it you see, precious, they went choose you back.
That's why when she left me, God came in for me. That's what I want to tell you, brother Vaughn. So right now, man, I want to tell you something. Choose God, okay? Because when everybody leave you, He will be there for you, okay?
Now why they won't choose you?
Who else there?
Precious, why they won't choose you? Like Abadi Panos,
Let me tell you something.
Relax.
That girl, she's a demon.
Hey,
I don't want to say much about what happened, but
I want to forget angel. Maybe it's not tell she's the queen in my life. She's the angel. She's a them best or a demon more. Hey, brother James.
why did you call me?
Omo, he dey pain you. It be like say your heart don't dey fail you. You dey feel everything for your kidney. It dey shook you for like pain. Hey, Mama Jerry,
I'm a feel this thing funny again, Nico.
yeah.
I feel lost.
Oh, me okay.
Come, we okay, right?
Yeah. Relax.
Come.
T, relax.
Come,
Okay.
come, let me tell you
Oh, how do
something.
T?
Stand there, I want to tell you something.
T, how do answer never bro now?
I'm not going to beat you. What is it?
How do you? How the end there?
Ede.
Maybe a school I did my milk painting.
Monica, so listen, you escape you. 50 baht.
Hey, watching you.
Masacho, why are you always begging, Vaughn?
Hey, uniform no bad that nothing wrong. Huh? What is it you are going to answer your day? Anyhow, you want to me for us, I want to me for us, and I put over for. I said, say, okay, who need you, my friend? And did you send me? And did you send me number? And did you say, Madame forgetting come on. Oh, Madame forgetting come on, sir. I want you to be, you should be, mammy. Your cododay. So come make us some now, then quite as a mutual. Okay, once you scream one, once and some trace, I'm so mucha. Once and so mucha. A year, Nipa means something and who ain't Madame from Minakasa. I'm not yet to my boy. I saw so one can say show fees or you be beer was white a die. A seer toilet and bath will be beer, she will kitchen be beer, she won't just add the amount. I'm more brave. What? We pay up so better to go school or school. It will seem many intimacy. We dear or kind of me back of Randy over bad door. Yes, ah, who go school? What? No, where there were. Who go one of the people who go to no to me chat? Huh? Not a one is in me. Hey, Junior, me try to chat. Ah, why do you ever go for there? Hey, Junior, go to school on home. Who go school? Did be a member? Did be a member? This one from Casa Unia. Who can I remember? Na me call. I knew a quantity say. How could you be sick of Fanisica command? I make query. She, my make a joke. A Jebian pie bonning and niches and it down the back, Dutch be seen ye. The baby ye Dutchy. Se me shares obey ye Dutchy never bow any hear me. So Dutch will be ye Dutch will be your baby Gina, no any packet so in petit. Hey, Mr. Junior Power President. Hey, Ghana President, many virgin. I'm fatal. No school near Quadable President. Maybe I want to wear wagons will be travel. And get a hey, you call maintenance care move your uncle. You. Hey, Miss Onwaka or the private jet, baby, have a foul, a dear jet. Very mutant every. Papa Yana McQuarrie, middle school, a dear. almost my train for be clear. No. Meeting, I'm see the BM Quaba. The BM Babby show. Hey, hey, you know, pay ye, dear.
What would you be sick of for no school? I day.
School ADJ, you need your school. School are practice say. School a woman at the Encredier
school no could be woo mones. Yen here conti and come.
Hey, to go school at the Chabani HO.
Oh, yeah, child.
Hey, and you mean a more school in America?
One of ones who are school in me.
Hey, we are sepa, oh, baby, me for hey, oh, bro,
I be a wild person. I fear school many a come up. My giant may be as you say, many a da for ma. Me soon, dear. And ye may cost mamma come and listen.
Who's your dad? Who told you the Usia? Who told you the Usia?
Was my call register or what? May a baby uncle say what?
Who told you the Usia?
Oh, what? Tea din what? What?
Go to Mutame Obako. Name in Penquas as a
medical to prison.
Say, a crime clockroness wound, yeah. Me and giddy. What did they make at all?
You need to was no, and could die.
Sorry, quite.
Dear God, my poor headmaster, man, yes, see now. What did you cry? Sick or register more? When you were for headmaster, Cassana, yes, I didn't yet. My Yaninka. You want to catch him to school, a year, and I didn't, and I eat me free baby, the mother baby. What's up as what they call baby? There be me, I had your mother Martinez, you. Headmaster quick, Cassette, and pay for Mumu dear, and no cockran, I'm bet me I am a head boy. I don't know, make him. Papa, really am for.
Hey, oh boy, Junior, one year may you free me, ma'am. One we won't come, me do me. Hey, what cry we are make kind.
I said that, yeah, we open so you may feel memorable. Because you who are crying as one thing, and you didn't go school. Oh, near that, no, you don't quiet, Baba Sra, young be. What's a Mako Janet you? Why, we are best shoot, we are best show. Why? Yeah, I'm in Penquan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day.
Sister Connie. Oh, come on, Sister Connie. I've been calling you. I don't want it. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, yo nyamia. Onyuma fatao. Obrimpon nyamie. Unsanu nyuma yenwawa. Abodi nyinara. Kutu sorry. Nane onyami. Okay. Ipija udin.
Opa say me nyaminya asama na asede.
Oh.
Ebeya God aka say oh to nyamenyom na maye din na chese.
God is not going to say that, you know. Can I have a conversation with
you? You are already talk.
Oh, you need to
just
give me
go straight to the point. I don't know yes, you know what you want to come and talk about, but you start from somewhere and end up at a different place. Why?
Please, can I have a conversation with
you?
Okay, so Sister Cannon, you know, I want to discuss something with you. You know, some time ago you used to help me. You know, yeah. You remember when I was preaching the word of God before Satan came and, you know, messed
things up. Dumb. Yeah.
Oh, come on, you don't have to say that, Sister Cannon.
Oh, say you know kind history. So say yours. Continue. I'm listening.
Well, as you can see, I'm back. I am back. God has called me again. You know, the fact that I'm stubborn doesn't mean He's going to abandon me. You understand? I am back and I'm doing His work. And I need your help again, Sister Connie. I want you to help me do this. You know, we need to do this together. Yeah. Okay? You know, you helping me by, you know, washing my clothes or sometimes cooking me food and all those, you know, cooking for me and
washing your clothes. Aroma, don't annoy me.
Oh.
Don't annoy me.
Why?
How do you see me? How do you see me?
I see you as a pretty
After
girl.
all that.
All what?
After all that we've been through, me wow still now you are still coming back for me to do all that for you again.
Mr. Cannon, can I tell you something? Now it means that God, should I say disturb? God keep disturbing me. He's like, go and talk to my servant. He said I should say
I'm
this to you.
not the servant.
Hey!
I am not the servant he's talking about.
Hey!
I am not who he's talking about. I am his servant. Young clarifying God. Servant. I am your servant.
No, okay. You want to do.
But I am not the servant he's talking about. There are so many ladies here.
God chose you. There are so many ladies, but I know
didn't see
God
the picture well. It's not me. It's not me.
Sister Cannon, I know what I'm
It's
talking
not
about.
me,
Hey, I
Aroma.
saw you. Don't
It's
I know?
not me.
I don't want to hear. I'm not hearing
It's
you.
not me.
I saw your picture. It is you.
It's not
Okay,
me.
so you mean God was lying?
It's not me.
Okay, he said go to your ex Yaria. No? Who is my ex Yaria?
Yaria.
That's what God said.
My friend me Yaria.
Ah, come on, Sister Cannon. You know what I'm talking about. You know, listen.
Aroma. No,
Let
don't touch
bygone-
me.
Oh.
No. It's like, oh yeah, the minimum form kakra. Like, you have seen that I am talking to you and always smiling with you, so you feel like I'm the cheapest person you can come to for anything. Ooh, say
Hey!
when you see that you are suffering small,
Hey.
then become a pastor. Then you become, I need you to do this. Then we're going to
Hey.
take off a chair and all that. You know, we have caught you. It's the people outside that will
Let me
believe
tell you
you.
something. Amika say me sure. Who this uncommon so nim na so mo be tisa asam na wo kan say. Who told you that? Huh? Who told you I didn't do you think I can do that with God? Nyankopon ni makumam. We say who ni makumam, Nyankopon ni makumam. Onim say always I'm with him, okay?
Yeah.
And he is with me too. Sister Kanye.
That is why I can't help you, Aroma. I can't
please.
help you. And I don't want you to trebra from kakra. Hey! Fabra kakra. I have your waistline. Unevo wahana de kwasheho.
Sister Kanye, it's okay. It's a sentiment to me that there's I don't have anything. I want you to assist
That
me.
is why you are coming to me.
You know,
And I am not your maid. So just find someone else, okay? Don't ever stop me and talk to me about this. Say about assignment and a school worker. Member friend me.
okay. Boy, me na me homework.
Me homework ben. Yeah, my master me do homework watch me when me are.
It's me then can honey here. Oh, can honey say ni. Yeah, my God, tell me now me ya. Me so na me won ya. Then they all we bobo. Canon. We are in this together, okay?
Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so jam me yeah. Oh Lord.
You know, Komo be bass girls in the 29 minutes of makers.
Sir, I lie be.
I saw a girl could be for me, say, it's a precious as a sign.
Ah,
I don't want anything.
ale, what's my name?
And someone can't find on Messi.
Sir,
Jay, what's so when
ah,
also we are myself to say when you so kika, mamma from my home bone.
no, ale, what put the man?
No, I make a just one say, any fabric, but you want to mean for the own team. It's me, I'm going to tell my sir.
Oh, pa, we did this Obia best school has annoy,
Sir,
Obia best school Mohanuma, only the penny share was a me on common with the chenny bag.
why didn't Nempenabian?
Mini, minima the
But the no see make can once the only war a pa boy Mukanemo.
fine, dear men in your fire in Temungu because of Sanya Maniama way being to meaning in some way you cook her. But at least, also me cry no mimi, also me cry or minion. Bacano was my children.
Everyone was also here, myself, my show best say me just say, and some poto no I found.
Oh, so maybe
Eh, but me, mamma, name meeting to a man. Why, mamma,
although the page woman who beto to yaka. Obeto to yaka.
And then ya but by me and one meeting oh, and one meeting on say a butcher for the and ye be
That I will grow, see, travel chain by means to walk around for down.
oh, one say a ban my was is a cassan on. na won so nka brofo ni enhia me na makabi.
But at least o can be motivate me na me so maka ba say o de kra kamikra na me
enti sa de ya ka me de be ma ai ba o de ka hia bo ka hia me me ka ya cho.
Sa it's wo de no ye wo ara say ye be fa okwa emu de
Ye wo me ho.
Nye wala dey so ye na so papa fa free akoi.
Ye wo me ho ene ye de me ba ne sa de me koi en na masaba.
Ye
wo me ho.
Baby o counsel me o.
Osa.
Ti counsel me o. Ase me hu nsam no me hu so.
There be o me say ye wo me ho no ene ye de me ba na me sa koi na masaba.
Nto mo ewu am ho no mo ya na bofo ne ye mo.
Nti da me kan bebebe won te me say me pese misua kasa ni ye e na won so ame no na won ka brofo na makabi
Ene fi na ko me no be ka brofo ana
mat
so let's go now let's go on kabi che me no answer won
let's go na when so dear professor but say ne yanko na
now so kuro be na fuzu
UK there be United States
If you UK self United States